Division 2, you've made a heck of a knockdown, I can see from Division Alpha. Parts of the ceiling and the roof have peeled on in and burned away. How's the floor system under you?
Good. Engine 19, Power 3, rehab.
Engine 15.
Power 15, Division 1, Power 4 fire attack.
Ladder 4 on scene.
Ladder 4 from command. Report to Division Alpha. I'm going to send you in just a minute to swap out from company.
Ladder 4 copy.
Airfield on scene.
Investigator 1 from command.
Raleigh Investigator 1.
Cat, when you arrive, just check in with us. A couple different things we'll fill you in on when you get here. We've got knockdown on the fire right now. It's still a lot of hot spots, different areas on Division 2.
Copy. We're en route. Traffic just heavy.
Ladder 15 from command. I've got Ladder 4's fresh company here. I'd like to swap you guys out.
Copy, give us 1 minute.
Command from Division C.
Headquarters from command on TAC 24.
Go ahead, Command.
Go ahead and dispatch WC1 out to our location.
Copy on WC1.
Ladder 4 entering Division 1, Power 4.
You copy and yes, I can send them up your way? Command copy. Headquarters, you can mark fire under control.
Copy. Direct fire under control 1658.
ECA from command. I sent engine 27 in par 3 at the room above the garage with engine 22.
Copy.
Engine 22, Division A, Power 3.
Command copy.
Raleigh Command from WC1.
Go ahead.
Hey, Chief, while we're way out there, too, are there any resources that we need to contact or prepare?
Right now, I want to just meet with you face-to-face and just be briefed on what we've got. It appears we've got a commercial-style kitchen in a residence. And that's just something I wanted to get you out here because of that.
Copy that.
Hey, command to all companies, let's get everybody out of their turnout coats. Take turnout coats off, please.
We have 12 on 10.
A lot of forward here. Right to your left. 27 to the 18, Power 3.
Command to all companies, Rehab 12 is on the scene. Anything you need, see them at the end of the street. You'll also be bringing some further additional water up here. Hey, as all companies starting to leave, make sure you've got your passports and any tools. Engine 22 and ladder 22, you also could head back to the house.
I believe Command, Raleigh Engine 5 on 24.
Go ahead, Cap.
You just hot or cold?
Cold, be fine. You can stage on, at this point, Virgilia. We've got a bunch of companies we're going to be sending out of here, which will open up a little more space for you to move closer after that.
Copy that.
WC1's on the scene.
Raleigh Engine 5 on scene.
Ladder 4, officer command. Ladder 4. Yeah, I got engine 5 coming up. I say start bringing people inside. Let's take a look around. If you're not already doing so, make sure we got everything soaked down like we need to, and everyone's satisfied with that before we leave. Hey, Chief, you came across broken. Headquarters, Ivy League Command.
Go ahead, headquarters.
Headquarters, can I get the time that the fire was marked under control?
10 for 1658.
Copy direct, 1658.
Raleigh engine 17 on scene.
Louder 20 on scene.
17 copy.
Louder 20 copy.
5 officer from 17 officer. Is there anything we can assist you with? The Division 1 looks to be cool and no obvious smoke or hot spots.